Do you know your Samsung phone can make contactless payments in just seconds, but only if everything is set up correctly? In today's video, I'll show you how to use Tap to Pay with NFC. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. On your Android phone, go to your settings. Tap on Connections. Tap on NFC and Contactless Payments. Toggle the option on here. To make mobile payments, simply place your phone over the NFC reader. As you can see, the default wallet app is Samsung Wallet. Default wallet app is where you use your money or funds to pay for the mobile payments. You can change this by tapping on it and selecting other options, for example, Google Wallet. There you go! If this video helped you in any way, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, check out these other two videos here to see if they will help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and